And like I said, when I get in and out, I don't smack my knee. So yeah, I'm ready to put this on. The only bad thing is I'm just hoping it just don't get dirty, you know what I'm saying? Because with black, if you get dirty with black, it don't show up as well. But with this blue, man, I'm thinking it's gonna show up a lot. So I'm gonna have to really be cautious with this, you know what I'm saying? But it's gonna flow better, you know. Look at that, it's gonna flow better. So imagine the blue there. This is it. And like I said, I got two of the same one, so it don't matter which one go in the box Chevy, which one go in the Cutlass. Both of my steering wheels are 14-inch steering wheels. And like I said, red. I think they had white. They had black, but my steering wheels came with black. They had this blue, and I don't think they had no other blue. So yeah, we're gonna settle with this one. And this one looked good anyways. At the end of the match, everything will flow pretty good. Like I said, I can install this easily. It won't take me long at all to try to install this. Like 10 minutes at the most. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now I told y'all before that there's still a couple of little things I want to do on the interior of this car, the door panel being one of the main things I want to do. But this video, we're not gonna be working on the car today. Tomorrow I am gonna be installing this one thing that I got for sure, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. Ain't no need of me trying to go around it, you feel me? So I went ahead and I ordered a new vinyl half wrap to replace this black, because y'all know my interior is blue. I got my blue, lost my train of thought, with custom center console that I tried to make, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna end up making another one, but regardless, it's blue. Y'all know we got a new dash cover, and we did the headliner, and then we also just replaced the back with vinyl blue. So ain't no need of me having this black here. It's gonna really set everything off differently, you know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna really match and flow how I'm trying to have everything flow. So to take these off is literally just a few, y'all see that screw there? It's just a few little screws you gotta take off to get that off, you know what I'm saying? So once you undo all them screws, this little half wrap will come off. And I'm not gonna throw this half wrap away. I'm gonna keep it just in case I ever want to reuse it or put it in something else, you know what I'm saying? But I went ahead and ordered two, because I know my Cutlass, I also got a billet steering wheel in it as well. So I'm gonna install that one whenever we get the Cutlass back. But yeah, I went ahead and bought two, and I think it was like $20 a piece, $30 a piece, somewhere around. It wasn't too much. You feel me? I spent way less than $100. I know that for sure, you know. So I went ahead and got these skins, and like I said, it ain't really nothing to take them off. I'm not gonna be installing them this video. I'm gonna wait until tomorrow to install it, you know what I'm saying? But have the skin right here. Drop it. I'll see the blue. So the blue, it's a little off. On camera it look perfect, but in person it's a little bit off, you know what I'm saying? But it's gonna flow better, you know. Look at that, it's gonna flow better. So imagine the blue there. So my steering wheel is 14-inch. Some other steering wheels be 15-inch, and I think they have 16-inch as well, but I got 14-inch. I got this size to make sure when I get in and out of the car, my knees don't hit the steering wheel, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I didn't want to get one a little bit too, I didn't want to get one too big, and I didn't want to get one that's too small either. This one is literally the perfect size for my car. I can see my gauges, I can hold my steering wheel good, it feels good when you holding it, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, when I get in and out, I don't smack my knee. So yeah, I'm ready to put this on. The only bad thing is I'm just hoping it just don't get dirty, you know what I'm saying? Because with black, if you get dirty with black, it don't show up as well. But with this blue, man, I'm thinking it's gonna show up a lot. So I'm gonna have to really be cautious with this, you know what I'm saying? But I think this blue gonna look a lot better, and it's gonna flow with the car a lot better. And like I said, it's just a few screws on the back you gotta put in and take off to get that one off. And yeah, man, I'm excited. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section down below. But this is it, and we're gonna be replacing the black one. Like I said, my Cutlass has the same thing, so I went ahead and ordered two. I ordered both of them at the same time. That way, you feel me, I already have it whenever the car get back. Y'all know I got a whole lot of parts I've ordered that's sitting inside my charger for that cutlass for whenever it get back. So I even had to start taking some in the crib because it was getting too much, you know. And I just had to put it in the crib to where nobody will see. Because like I said, I don't want to have this stuff in the crib and then people show up at the crib and see what's going on, you feel me? Because I don't own the house, you feel me? So yeah, but yeah, I'm excited to get that on. I'm gonna put that on tomorrow like I told y'all. And what I'm gonna do now, basically, I'm just gonna get out the car, show y'all that I got both of them, you know what I'm saying? I got 2 of them, and then get y'all opinions on it, you know? This video, like I said, we're not gonna be working on nothing really. I'm just basically doing a few last little touches before I send the car off to get the motor swapped, you know? One thing I'm really trying to do, I know it's gonna be a little time consuming, but I'm trying to do this frame repair, not frame repair, but frame rust repair before I send the car off. But if I don't have time, I won't do it, you know. So I'm not gonna stress about it until I get the car back or something like that, you know. But yeah, man, like I said, it's a lot I'm trying to do, a lot I'm trying to get done. It's a lot I done ordered, and the next video, y'all gotta stay tuned to something else I just ordered for the cutlass that just came in. It took 2 days to come in. Y'all stay tuned for that video. And I'm thinking today I'm gonna go ahead and try to use that pressure washer and paint strip to get some of that paint off them rims, them 20-inch spoke wheels. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned for everything though. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together, and I'll catch y'all once I get outside the car. All right, y'all, outside of the car, and you feel me, I got the half wrap outside of the car with me right now. Like I said, it wouldn't take me long at all to install this. I could easily do it today, do it right now if I want to. Probably be like 10 minutes, probably not even that long, because like I said, it ain't nothing but screws. And luckily this came with more screws, but I'm pretty sure I'm not even gonna need them because my steering wheel already have screws in them, you know what I'm saying? So it came with extra screws. But yeah, man, like I said, this wouldn't take me long to install it all, but I actually want to drive my car tomorrow, so I'm gonna go ahead and do everything I want to do tomorrow, installing whatever I need to install, fixing whatever I want to fix tomorrow, and then take the car out and just cruise for the day, you know? Like I said, I'm sort of being patient with the motor swap, you feel me? I'm not rushing. The dude told me bring whatever whenever I'm ready. It's just, you feel me? I've been trying to do a lot of other stuff before I just go ahead and send it. For one, being a frame repair, I want to try and do that before I send it off and do the motor swap. But he told me it won't even be a day for him to do the motor swap. Take the motor out, put a new one in, and make sure everything run good. But yeah, this video is not about that, you feel me? Let's stay on topic. So this is it, and like I said, I got 2 of the same one, so it don't matter which one go in the box Chevy, which one go in the cutlass. Both of my steering wheels are 14-inch steering wheels. This is just a tag, it don't even have the price on it, but this is where I got it from. Like I said, off eBay. Forever Sharp is the company I got it from. Off eBay. Gave me a sticker, gear head sticker, pretty dope. I like this, I like that little sticker. Warranty, not even gonna need the warranty. And here go the other one. So like I said, it come with the screws, which I'm not even gonna need, but yeah, 2 of the same ones, literally exact same thing. Just got 2 of them, and this was the only blue vinyl they had. They didn't have no darker blue vinyl that I seen. I think they had a red, they had a tan, I think I seen a white. But y'all know my cutlass, I'm doing blue and black. I can just leave that steering wheel black, but you feel me, the blue look better, and you don't see too many with blue on with the half wrap and stuff. So went ahead and got it, you know what I'm saying? Be different, try to be as different as possible, you know what I'm saying? So my box Chevy gonna have basically all blue interior, cause I really don't have a secondary color for this car. I'm mainly leaning towards gold. Y'all know I got the gold badge in the back and the front with the gold emblems. But yeah, they really didn't have no gold. They had a tan, and like I said, red. I think they had white. They had black, but my steering wheels came with black. They had this blue, and I don't think they had no other blue. So yeah, we're gonna settle with this one, and this one looked good anyways at the end of the match. Everything will flow pretty good. Like I said, I can install this easily. It won't take me long at all to try to install this, like 10 minutes at the most. And the only hard part to be is getting them screws out. That's it. Finding the right Allen wrench to get these screws out. That's it, you feel me? That's all. But other than that, man, like I said, I want to wait till tomorrow to do it, because there's a few other things I want to do with this car tomorrow, and then a couple other things I want to do for the cutlass to have it basically ready to install whenever I get the car back tomorrow as well. So y'all know I'm on the grind right now. I'm trying to record as much as possible. I'm finna try to record 3 videos today, and I'm gonna try to record at least 2 to 3 tomorrow, so I'll be 6 videos up. And when I get the Cutlass back, I'm gonna start dropping 4 times a week again, and then just keep it in rotation, you feel me? I'm gonna start doing a whole lot of more driving footage. That way, you feel me, y'all can just see the cars on the road and then me actually drive, especially when I get the motor swap in this car. I'm gonna start taking like road trips on this car, you feel me? I want to actually put this car on the road, do hour drives and just cruise, you feel me, all day in this car. Y'all know I changed the gas in here. I don't put 87 in here no more. I'm doing 89 and 93, and then the Cutlass is strictly 93, you feel me? But yeah, like I said, I'm so excited to get that motor swap. I'm so excited to get this stuff installed. I can't wait to see how the steering wheel gonna look with this on there. Y'all know my steering wheel got flames on it, which is something different, you know? It ain't like everybody else's steering wheel. A lot of people got steering wheels that matches their wheels. I couldn't find a steering wheel that matches the 26s on this car, so I just got that flame one, and I thought it looked cool, you feel me? It looked pretty good, and it's, like I said, it's something different. But, and then the Cutlass one is just, it's sort of plain, but it's still a billet half wrap steering wheel. So like I said, man, we're gonna be installing this one tomorrow, and whenever we get the Cutlass back, we're gonna go ahead and install this one as well. So this one I'm gonna put back in the box and put it up, because this one is not gonna be getting touched. But this one will be going inside of the box Chevy, because we will be putting it in tomorrow. So y'all just stay tuned for the video when we install this. Like I said, it ain't gonna take me long to install it at all, like 10 minutes. Probably, it will be realistically probably like 20 minutes, because I got to get all the screws out. Got to take that black one off, sit through something on there, try to line it up, put the screws back in. So realistically like 15-20 minutes, you know. But it is what it is, you feel me? We're gonna get it done tomorrow, so y'all just stay tuned with that. Like I said, I'm gonna put this back in the box Chevy, put the one for the Cutlass up somewhere. I honestly don't know where yet, but I feel like I'm doing a little too much blue with the Cutlass, but I guess we're gonna see whenever it happens, you know. It didn't hurt my pockets to get this, so went ahead and got it. So we're gonna see if I'd rather leave it black or go ahead and put it blue. So y'all just stay tuned, and I will catch y'all in 1 second for the outro. And yeah, we're gonna rock out like it, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all like the steering wheel wrap, you know what I'm saying? I can't wait to install it. I'm so excited to actually see how it's gonna look in the car, especially with the car out in the sunlight, you know. I'm excited to see how it's gonna look, and we're just gonna rock out like it. I'm still looking for some, I really want some 60/40 seats to put in this car, but if I can't find none, I'm just gonna rock out with the bench seat and leave it how it is. I'm still looking for a door panel, OEM door panel, the blue one with the vinyl wrap at the top. Still looking for one, can't find one, so I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm still struggling trying to find it. But steering wheel, ain't really nothing else I need to do in this area besides, like I said, take this half wrap off, put the new half wrap on, and then rock out like it, you know. Y'all know I already changed my gear shifter, got the aluminum or billet or whatever, whichever it is. I'm just say billet. Got the billet gear shifter. Yeah, it ain't really nothing else I gotta do. I was waiting to get this, went ahead and got it, you know what I'm saying? We got that in. My Cutlass, so no updates really. I stopped by there and then he started working on it, you know what I'm saying? So everything's getting done to it. Should be a few more weeks before I get the car back, but I'm finna go ahead and get that carport tent, you know what I'm saying? It's like $250, and we supposedly have a few left in stock in the Harbor Freight that's where I live, you know what I'm saying? So it's supposed to be a few more stock. It's about $250 after tax, you know. So I'm finna go ahead and get that carport tent for the Cutlass, so it'll be somewhat protected through like bad weather, snow, rain, you know. And if I want to work on the car while it's at that crib, I can go in the carport tent and have some shade, even though I know it's gonna be really hot, but I can have some shade, have a fan blowing and stuff. People use them carport tents to paint now, so I'm just excited to just get one and have that car somewhat protected, you know. And I'm still gonna have like a car cover over it, and I'm gonna throw an extra tarp over top of the carport tent. So y'all stay tuned for that video of us going to pick it up. Then we're gonna install it, put it all together, you know what I'm saying? Not really install, but put it together, and we'll have that done, then parking the car in it, you know. So like I said, man, I'm excited to get all this stuff going. I've been spending a lot of bread lately, but it's gonna pay off, you feel me? I'm not in a rush to finish these cars. I know I'm going at my own pace, but I like to keep y'all I like to keep videos for y'all, you know what I'm saying? I like to have a lot of content for y'all, and to be able to keep dropping this content, I have to keep spending money, which is it's fine by me, you know what I'm saying? As long as y'all enjoying these videos, that's all I really care about. I know I'm not getting no money back from these videos or nothing. I'm not making nothing, but as long as y'all are happy and y'all loving the content and y'all enjoying the content, I don't mind spending the money, you know what I'm saying, and keeping y'all entertained somewhat, you feel me? So yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this. August, the content, starting August, the content might slow down a little bit because I gotta start my classes back, and I got 3 more years until I get my master's degree. So yeah, I'm sorry if the content slow down once I start school again in August, but yeah, I need to get that done. That's something personal I need to get done, you feel me? So yeah, man, one last time, y'all let me know what y'all think about the half wrap in the comment section down below. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, tomorrow I'm going to be installing it. It'll be probably about another week before y'all get the video, but I'm going to be installing it, you know what I'm saying, in a couple days. Well, not a couple days. Tomorrow I'm going to be installing it. Y'all should get the video in a couple days to a week. So y'all just stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Let me know what y'all think about the half wrap in the comment section down below. Like I said, it ain't nothing hard to take off. It's just a few little Allen wrench screws to take off. Be specific, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. 5 screws to take off. So, and like I said, I got mine from eBay. If y'all want to get y'all's, just search it up. Half wrap, whatever size your steering wheel is and the color you want, and it'll pop up. Like I said, I got mine off eBay. I think I spent like $25 a piece. I spent no more than $60 for both of them, which is really good, you know what I'm saying, compared to all these other prices for stuff. Yeah, that's a really good price in my books, you know. I'm finna record a couple more videos, so y'all stay tuned. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Y'all stay tuned. Peace.